This dim bulb tester out of a discarded case. This is not active, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Let me show you the wiring. These are alternating current 125 volt switches. Every one of them are. This is your load, that's your neutral, that's your power. Every one of them, every light has their own switch. All the neutrals are wired together back to the main switch. 5 amp fuse there. The switch is the same as these. Load comes in to the power on the light switches. Then the load pin goes to the bulb, and of course the neutrals are wired together. All the powers of all these switches are daisy chained, wired together. Then they come back down to the socket. That's load, AC coming in, load. Once again, all the neutrals are wired together. Now, watch this. This shouldn't be. Okay. I'm out of incandescent bulbs, but okay, this is number 1 bulb. This is number 3. Okay. And anyway, yeah, I'm going to have to put some type of a shield over the gauges, but anyway, this is what I want you to see. Let me set this down one moment. I'm going to plug the soldering machine in, and I probably will blow a fuse. No, I got a 10 amp inline fuse with this. Okay, alright, I've got the soldering machine plugged in. Let me get rid of that. Okay, now only lamp 1 and 3 are on. This is a 100 watt, that's a 40 watt. I'm turning the soldering machine on, and I'm going to keep it under. Let's see what it says. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to keep it under an amp. Right now it's reading about, oh, these lights are bad. I'm going to go ahead and turn this light out so we can read. Okay. Alright. It doesn't seem that this thing's working right. In fact, I can turn all the lights, this first light out, and the soldering machine still works. That shouldn't be. The lights should go out. The light should stay very, very intensely bright if there's a short. Well, there's not a short in the soldering machine. Am I doing something wrong with this wiring diagram here? I need some help. I've spent a whole day on this, and Lord, I don't know. I need help. Help me figure out what I'm doing wrong.